Rape, a harrowing ordeal, often characterized by secondary trauma. For scores, it's a nightmarish encounter filled with a series of violations.
Retelling your story, doesn't matter who you are going to tell it to, you are going to feel as if you are being violated again, because you are thinking, when I tell a person I'm being raped, how do they look at me? Because there's shame and the stigma on rape victims, that alone, and having to go to a hostile environment you don't know where to start.
The high-profile Omotoso trial is one of many cases highlighting how rape victims are badgered on the stand.
So are you now saying that when you made your statement, your first statement to the police, you couldn't remember the detail that he had penetrated your vagina, that he had rubbed his penis on your clitoris?
I didn't want to remember that.
Are you saying that you couldn't?
It's a pleasant memory somehow.
Ma'am, are you saying that you couldn't remember that at the time?
I didn't want to remember.
She says she didn't want to remember that time.
My Lord, with respect, you're interfering with my cross-examination.
I am not at all, Mr. Doberman. I've been patient since morning. You've been asking questions, but if a witness says she has answered that question, and I know that she has answered that question, I have to bring it to her attention that she did.
There is a need to start setting some clear guidelines for defence attorneys and I would say magistrates and prosecutors as to when they should intervene and stop a particular line of questioning. We've started to do that around previous sexual history, but I think there are also questions around sexual detail and other things that we need to start defining quite clearly as to what is permissible and what is simply a tactic of bullying and humiliation.
The responsibility lies within the court structure to protect the victim, because that line of questioning actually deters the victim from giving a clear and coherent disclosure.
Social media has commended Zondi's bravery in the box. It's often these challenges which deter many victims from coming forward and holding their perpetrators to account. Gillian Pillay, SABC News, Johannesburg.